Hi, Group 4. I'm going to take you through my presentation on my Frightful site. My Frightful site is the Room Movie website. So my presentation outline. First will be my introduction. That is where I will introduce myself to you. Next, I will take you through my value proposition. After that, we will talk a little bit about the original Frightful site, the Room Movie website. After that, we will talk about my design approaches and how I plan to deploy those design approaches. After that, we will talk about my usability tests and what I discovered doing that. Next will be my redesign. We'll look through how I redesigned and continue to plan to redesign the Frightful site. And then we'll go through a little summary and my next steps. So about me, my name is Haley Bierschbach. I currently am working in hospitality as a manager and just looking for a little bit of a career change to explore my creative side a little bit more. Just searching for an outlet on how to do that. So this is my value proposition. My value proposition states that I will offer web design, social media integration for small businesses, routine website updating at a reasonable cost. It also includes professional, affordable, and personalized services as pain relievers. My value proposition also promises a keen and professional eye for design, affordable services that work within your budget, and again, professional and personalized services. Those are my game creators. And for my pain relievers, professional services that is affordable, again, will increase search engine optimization to reach the maximum amount of users. And again, just focusing on personalized service based on clients' needs. So let's talk about the Frightful site. When I first started exploring the Room Movie site, discovered that the navigation on the site was kind of complicated, really confusing. There's a little bit of issue there. There are two sets of navigation on the original site. One is on the landing page, and the other one you gotta dig a little bit to get to. The typography and the hierarchy of the original site is also very confusing. There are certain words that are written in all caps, certain words that are in larger fonts, certain words that are in really small fonts, some all in the same sentence or paragraph, and it's kind of hard to decipher and read. The color contrast on some of the colors that they chose also aren't optimal for a black background. So those are things that we need to look into fixing. So let's look around the site a little. So I don't know if everyone notices this right away, but it says enter site here. This took me a little while to see because it just looks like a movie rating, kind of to me. So we'll scroll down a bit and you can see the font in all caps. This is the city in all caps, but this city is not in all caps. See that this font is huge, this font is really small. The green isn't like a great choice. There's graphics everywhere. Then when you scroll back up, we'll enter the site. You need to have flash enabled for this, and it does play a pretty loud sound clip during this intro. You are able to skip it, do that. And then there's another sound clip that plays on loop here, but you can pause it if you like. And then this is where the second navigation is. So first of all, I just defined the problems that I found with the Frightful site as user experience design problems and information architecture problems. The organization, structure, and navigation labels weren't effective on the original website. The information was everywhere and it wasn't simplistic to use. I could see a lot of people not finding what they were looking for and leaving frustrated. So to rectify those problems, I focused on streamlining the navigation, simplifying it a little bit, putting the two most important places in terms of conversion rates on the homepage. Also changed the layout to make it look more modern and put together, and I did that on each page, or am doing that on each page. Instead of putting all of the information on the home page, I kind of mixed it up, gave each its own page, and I focused on hierarchy that was clear and color combinations and font sizes that were more readable. In my usability testing sessions, the main issue that was encountered were issues that were kind of outside of the original website. So the ticket purchasing websites aren't necessarily in control of the person who controls the room movie website. So that's kind of out of my control, but it will require constant updating, and that's kind of what I figured out through the usability tests is something that they will definitely need to do. All of the tests in the usability, all of the tasks, in the usability tests were completed successfully other than that. And I think that really simplifying the navigation helped with that because everything is much more to the point and everything is much easier to find. So we'll take you to the redesigned website. I think the homepage needs a little bit of organization or reorganization. I had some comments that these graphics here should be more visible when you first open the page, so you don't have to scroll for them. The navigation here at the top, a lot more concise and everything's there. Do reviews first. This page obviously isn't done, but we have some film reviews. Plan to add in an overflow scroll or something for these because they are quite long. The synopsis is here. Runtime for the film and the film synopsis from the original website. Plan to add maybe some graphics or movie stills and stuff here. This page isn't finished yet, and the trailer isn't up. Ticket page isn't finished. There are no tour dates that are coming up in the near future, so I have to figure that out. And the store will look like this. So the main issues with the original site, like I stated, were the confusing navigation and just plain aesthetics and accessibility issues, like the site being unreadable, the lack of hierarchy. And then so next steps, I'm just going to continue to improve the design. Hopefully add some movie stills in there, maybe some more graphics. If you have any constructive feedback for me, that would be great. I'd love to use that to improve the design. Thank you.